Hi, today we are going to show our Launch PFP-100. It's a charger that works both for flashing the car, so to keep the battery stable when charging, when flashing by OBD. And it's also useful to repair the batteries and charge them out of the car. It works with almost all kinds of batteries, including lithium batteries. The only downside is that it's limited to 12 volts. So let's see how it works. First of all, here we connect it to a Tesla Model 3 lead acid battery, so a classic battery. We connect it like this. Now we can press this green button over in the back to turn it on. So now the power is on and the display will turn on. So the first thing we need to do is to select what we want to do. As you see, we have several modes, including repair and program, but in this moment we just want to charge. So we are going to press this button and then select whether we are on the car or out of the car. In this case, we are out of the car, so we selected this one. Then it will tell us, make sure the battery is out of the vehicle. To continue, press start key. You need to press and hold this button. And now it will let you select the type of battery. So as you see, we have both traditional batteries and the modern battery like LFP or NCM, which is very convenient for those new lithium batteries. But this one is a regular battery, so we're going with this one. Now it's asking us to make sure everything is connected and we are out of the car. Let's press the start key again. Okay, now it's charging. So we can see the process over here. And it will slowly update. To stop the procedure, it's just press the same button over here and it will go back to this menu. Then we can disconnect the terminals, and that's okay. Now let's try this other battery, which is Mercedes-AMG 12 volt lithium battery. So let's connect the clamps and let's go back here. Let's start from scratch this time. This time let's try to charge first. So this time again we are out of the vehicle. Start. But this battery is an LFP battery. So we select LFP and continue. Now there will be some Chinese. Actually, the one on the right means low temperature mode. The one on the left means normal temperature mode. Since in this moment we are something like 20 degrees, we can go with the normal one. Press this button. And then let's just continue like before. And here we go. Now it's starting to charge. Keep in mind that if the lithium battery comes with a lot of BMS, you're not going to be able to charge it in reality. Because in the end, after you charge it, you cannot really use it because it's locked by the BMS. So make sure the lithium battery has voltage before you try to charge it. Otherwise, you will need to connect the internal terminals, not to the outside ones. In this case, the battery is fine, so we can charge it like a normal battery. And to stop, we just press again here. Let's try now to see the repair function. We select LFP, press start, then continue. And this is how the procedure starts.